To the northeast lies an area of irradiated badlands known locally as the London Radwastes. It's a desolate area which is roamed by the nomadic Scav tribes. The central region is dominated by the Aldershot Depression. This is a crater caused by an orbital strike which occurred during the Mars Wars. And if you've ever been to Aldershot, you'll understand what's so depressing about it. To the north of the depression is a dismal, dank and fetid area known as the Blackwater Swamp. Over to the west lie the ruins of a once thriving city, known now only as the Stoke. This is the home of slightly disgruntled Owl's gang, and is also rumoured to be the location of the Wastelands Raceway garage. Just north of the depression is Borough City. This is a lawless zone which is battled over by numerous petty auto gangs and minor warlords. It's certainly not a place to go to unprotected or unprepared. In the Eastern Highlands you'll find the guilds. This is where you go to buy scrap and parts that have been scavenged up in the London Radwastes by the Scav gangs. Other places of note would include Crook Creek. This is the remains of a village alongside the Toxic Canal and is the hometown of the Kinky Weasel gang. Not far from Crook Creek and on the other side of the old highway lies Phoenix Town. This is the base of operations for the Warbird gang and also the location of the famous, or should I say infamous, Eli's Roadkill Grill. On the far side of the swamp lies Crow Hill, a desolate place. Crow Hill falls within the territory of the reviled and feared Black Widders. Far to the south lies the town of Boredom. Boredom is a place where nothing happens, nothing at all. Or is it?